Hello friends. So today we'll be learning about a topic called vertex induced subgraph. So what is a vertex induced subgraph? Vertex induced subgraph is a graph which is a subgraph of another given graph. So let's say we are given a graph 1 2 3 4 5 6 edges. Let's say this graph we are considering. So I'm forming any random graph G. Okay, let's say this is my graph G. Okay, some graph 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 vertices. So this is the graph G. Okay, now if I talk about some G dash, which is a vertex induced subgraph of this one, then it can be something like this, that we have the vertex set V and the edge set E in the original graph. Then here we have a vertex set V dash, which is a subset of V, and we have to take all the edges which are like connecting the vertices. For example, if two vertices are there, so if I am considering 1 and 4 in my G dash, then this edge which is joining the 1 and 4, it must be there. And if I am considering 5 and 4 in my G dash, then this particular edge must be there. However, if I am considering 5 and 1 in my set, then there is no edge between them, so it is not there. So I'll show you a vertex induced subgraph here. So let's say if we consider 1 2 4 6, let's say this particular V dash is this. Okay, so we have our 1 here, we have our 2 here, we have our 4 here, we have our 6 here. So 4 and 6 are connected, so this edge must be there. Okay, 1 and 2 are not connected, 2 and 4 are connected, this edge must be there. So let's number the edges also. So we'll number the edges A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, so basically B is there, G is there, A is also there because 4 and 1 both are there. So let's say A is also there. Okay, C is not there because 3 is not part of the V dash. Again, D is not there because 3 is not the part of V dash. Neither is 5. Now we consider the next edge E. E is not there because 5 is not a part of the V dash. Now we consider F. F is also not there because 5 is not the part of V dash. But G is there because 5 is the part of 6 is and 4 is the part of V dash. So this is our vertex induced subgraph having this particular subset of vertices. So hope you understood the concept. Thank you friends.